Alright, imagine this, a crypto playground where you don't just trade tokens, you create them instantly with zero coding and they take off like wildfire. Sounds insane, right? But what if I told you that's exactly what's happening on Alephium with MyOnion.Fun? A no bullshit all-in meme-fueled token launchpad where the only limit is how fast your community can ape in. Some projects are turning into full-on ecosystems while others crash and burn in minutes. Today, I'll explain what MyOnion is, why it's important and how you can benefit from it. Jamie has always been fascinated by the evolution of blockchain technology, but what really captured her interest was the explosion of meme tokens. These digital assets, often seen as jokes, have somehow created thriving communities and in some cases immense financial gains. That's when Jamie stumbled upon MyOnion.Fun, a fresh and innovative platform running on the Alephium blockchain. It wasn't just another token launchpad, it was an entirely new way to create, trade and grow meme tokens in a fun and accessible environment. Curiosity got the best of Jamie and she decided to take a deep dive into what MyOnion.Fun was all about. The platform seemed to take inspiration from Pump.Fun, which had popularized easy token creation. But MyOnion.Fun brought something different to the table. An integration with Alephium's unique technology, giving it enhanced scalability and security. Jamie began by exploring the basics. MyOnion.Fun allowed anyone with little to no coding knowledge to create their own meme token. The process was straightforward. Users could launch a token in minutes, instantly list it for trading and, if it gained traction, elevate it to what the platform called a mini DEX. This meant the token could sustain long-term trading and potentially grow beyond just being a fleeting joke. This is actually genius, Jamie thought, scrolling through the platform's features. Unlike traditional crypto exchanges, which often required complex setups, MyOnion.Fun simplified everything. It gave power to creators who might have a brilliant idea for a meme token but lacked the technical know-how to get it off the ground. The ease of use and seamless integration with Alephium's blockchain made it stand out. Now Jamie wasn't just here to admire, she wants to test it out as well. So she noticed that Alpha, which is one of the meme coins launched, was already being traded with a market cap of approximately 24k. Not massive by crypto standards, but it was clear that the community was engaged and growing. She also came across Milo, the second project that had launched the Milo token using MyOnion.Fun's decentralized bond and curve mechanism. It was a perfect case study of how the platform worked in practice. Now let me give you a quick rundown on how to purchase one of these meme tokens. Right, so let me show you how to navigate through this site, right? This is the main page of MyOnion.Fun, the Alephium version of Pump.Fun. Here we have Make Onion Great Again with some cool figures. Now what's good to know is that here we have memes, we've got the leaderboard. If you click the leaderboard, that will show you basically people that have scored points and how many points they've scored by trading on this platform. And right now earn 50,000 experience points to unlock a special NFT. Okay, up here you can connect your wallet. I've already done that, so be sure to do that as well if you want to follow along with this part of the video. Now you can search for a token symbol right here. It lists all the tokens being created. On the right side you can create a new token. I'll show you that in a second as well. We've got top tokens and we've got the latest tokens listed, right? Now what's good to know is that you've got tokens that are just newly created, but you've got tokens that are on the DEX or that migrated to the DEX as well. So we've got Alpha, Elfchick or Elfic, Lukai and Milo. I hope I said that right. Now this is the first token created. This is the second meme token created. This is actually going on the lead right now. Now if you click it, it will take you to that meme token where you can buy it. It will tell you something about the meme token. It'll show you the state and it'll show you the top holders as well. Now you can purchase it. All hail the mighty Alpha, for instance. So 33 minutes ago, someone has purchased this. And here we have the price action that we can follow along. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, just basically like you can with any other DAX chart. Okay, right. Now let's say you want to buy this. You need to make sure that your wallet is connected. You will see your available ELF right here. And then you can determine how much ELF you want to spend. And it will show you how much tokens you will get. You can add a comment saying, I think this is a winner. And then you can click buy and a pop-up shows up, which you'll have to sign off on so that you can buy this token, right? Now, if you want to sell, you can do the same thing. Go to the sell window, fill in how much you want to sell in percentages, that is, and then it'll show you how much Alephium you will receive, right? Once again, you can add in another comment too, and you can click the GDIT button, and that will allow you to sell a token. Now, creating a token is easy as well. You go back to the home page and you've got the make token, start a new coin. Now click it and it allows you to upload a logo. You can give it a token name. You can give it a token symbol. You can enter the description of the meme token, add in a Twitter account, Telegram account, Discord account, click save. Now, if you create a token, it's very important to know that you need to make the first buy with a minimum of 1 ELF. The max supply is always 1 billion and every token starts at 1k ELF market cap. And from the 1 billion, 800 million is sold in the bonding curve process. When a token hits 20k ELF in market cap, it enters the DEX. And after that, 5100 of ELF will be used up, of which 100 goes to the meme creator. The platform itself gets 100 ELF and a liquidity pair is getting created with 4900 of ELF together with the unsold 200 million tokens. Now let's address the elephant in the room, right, which are rug pulls. How are they being prevented on MyOnion? Because they are happening left and right on counterparts. The 100 ELF a creator gets is an incentive to reach the DEX. Now you can never prevent rug pulls 100%, but on Onion they decided to share 0.15% DEX fees for every creator on their own pool. That way, if you work on the project, you can actually earn more money if it blows up, rather than rugging it and calling it quits. Now currently, a lot of meme creators lock their coins and share it in Onion TG, which is also something that will gain trust. Now on top of that, the Alephium blockchain is fairly unknown and let alone known for their meme tokens. Unlike Solana and Ethereum that has all the attention, the community of Alephium is much smaller. The incentives to rug are less as well because currently you won't walk away with an amount of money that's actually worth the risk. But keep in mind, rugs aren't prevented 100%. Before we move on to the rest of this video, I want to give a big shout out to the team of MyOnion for sponsoring this video. I also need you to keep in mind that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Now, if you do gain a lot, it's very important to stay safe. I've put links in the description to VPNs and hardware wallets. Be sure to check those out. Also, make sure to follow the MyOnion and Alephium socials to stay up to date on the latest news of this project and the Alephium blockchain in general. Right, so Jamie also knows that every innovation comes with its challenges. The first one is volatility. Meme tokens by nature could see wild price swings, which means that while some users would make substantial profits, others can lose just as much. And then there's the question of regulation. Governments and financial authorities are still figuring out how to approach crypto, and this causes some uncertainties. Despite these concerns, Jamie sees incredible potential. The future of MyOnion.Fun looks promising, with plans to expand its user base, integrate with other DeFi platforms, and enhance its security measures. If it succeeds, it could become a cornerstone of Alephium's ecosystem, proving that meme tokens could be more than just short-lived internet jokes. As Jamie closes her laptop, she couldn't help but feel excited. MyOnion.Fun is more than just another blockchain project. It's a movement, one that gives power to creators, brings people together through humor and finance, and proves that even the most lighthearted ideas can have a real-world impact. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!